The first technique we are going to learn is multiplication by 11. Now any two digit when multiplied by 11, actually how do we multiply? We write 32 multiply by 11 and goes on. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, one number completed, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. It takes 3 steps to complete, right? Now this can be done in one step. How it is done in one step? Now when you are multiplying any two digit by 11, so what you are doing? You are multiplying the ones digit by the ones digit of 11. So 1 2s are 2, right? Now what you are doing, whatever you are multiplying by 11, the two digit number, write sum of that, that is 3 plus 2, and the digit in the tens place itself, that is 3. So what answer we will get is 352. The same answer we got when we multiplied it by like this. So this I have shown you the step, so it took two steps. Otherwise in one step also we can do it. Now same way I will be multiplying. We'll take another example and we'll see in one step how we can multiply. What is the process? Yes, 4 ones are 4 and 5 plus 4 is 9 and the number itself in the tens place, right? It was easy. So in one go you can multiply it, right? Same way we are going for the second technique, that is squaring numbers ending with 5. Now what is it? 25 square. Now here squaring numbers ending with 5 means the numbers which ends with 5. How to square that type of numbers? Now this is very easy. The same way we will do here also again the multiplication process. This way only we will do for 25 into 25. But here we can solve it again in one go. Now what you have to do? You have to write the square of the last digit, that is 5. So the square of last digit is 25. Now what is the number in the tens place? It is 2. What is the successor of this tens place number? 3. So multiply that successor with this number. 2 into 3, that is 6. So it is 625. One more example. We'll try 35 square. What is 35 square? 25. What is successor of 3? 4. 3 4s are 12. So it is 1225. Same way you can try with 15 square, 65 square, 85 square. Understood? Now the third technique is about subtraction that I am talking about. Now when the numbers are ending with zeros, only one digit number, here when you want to multiply 100 by 37 or 1000 by 268, 10,000 by, it will be here 10,000 by 8,654. If you are subtracting this, now here what is the process exactly for 100 minus 37? So what will be the process? Same way, 0, 10, 9, 10, right? Now 10 minus 7 and all you will do. Now in simple way, now here the chances of mistakes arises, right? When the children, if they are not writing digit below digit, the chances of mistakes is higher. So and by silly mistake they lose the marks even they know the subtraction. So if in one step, if I want to do, how I will do this? Now when any number starting with 1 and having zeros, so what is the subtract from 9? All numbers from 9 and last from 10. All number from 9 last from 10. So what if you subtract 9 minus 3, it will be 6, and 10 minus 2 or 7 will be 3. So answer will be 63. Same way here. Now see, it is 1 and followed by 0, right? And it has 3 digit number 268. Now what was the formula? All by 9, last by 10. So all by 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 9 minus 6 is 3, and 10 minus 8 is 2. So the answer will be 732. Same way, 10,000 multiply by 8,654. Same method, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 4, 6. Got it? Right? So these are the three methods that I have explained you that has done through Vedic Maths.